At the end of a long and rainy riding day, we arrived at the diamond in the crown. The fairy tale-like city of Český Krumlov lies in the bend of the Vltava River. The city center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Strolling through its streets is a journey back to the Middle Ages. Dominating its skyline is a church, standing sentinel on a hill, facing a palace once guarded by bears. Surrounding the royal structures are majestic gardens and a variety of points offering breathtaking views. Český Krumlov, second only to Prague as a beacon for travelers, boasts a wide variety of fine dining options and cafes serving exquisite coffee. A stroll away, one can discover the Rose Garden and the home of the artist Egon Schiele. A stone's throw from this cultural treasure is the Český Krumlov Synagogue, another jewel in the city's crown. If you like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel.